Hello, I'm Annabel Karmel, and for over 25 years I've been supporting families from all over the world with my balanced, delicious recipes and advice. And I'm now thrilled to be working with Kids Club, early childhood learning centres, to create world-class menus that will ensure that the little ones in their care will get the best possible start. What I love about Kids Club is that they share my vision for ensuring infants and children stay fueled on the right foods. And that means introducing a diverse range of delicious flavours, tastes and textures to nurture healthy eating that lasts a lifetime. I've been working with the centre's talented chefs to create seasonal menus that pack in plenty of goodness whilst ensuring that mealtimes are anything but bland. Catering for all ages and dietary requirements, young food explorers can adventure around the world with mains such as my glazed salmon with Chinese-style veggies. And they can also stay fueled with my super snacks, like my famous carrot and cheese muffins. I love finding creative ways to pack in those all-important nutrients, and even the pickiest eaters will love my recipes at Kids Club Early Childhood Learning Centres. As a parent myself, I know how important it is to know that your child is getting nothing but goodness whilst in someone else's care, and I'm so excited to be part of that expert reassurance. Healthy nutrition really is a key foundation to ensure that children get the best possible start to their future, and it's a belief that Kids Club and I share in common.